This is my top 3 cooking tips. The first tip I got is to follow the actual recipe. If you want to be a little bit more creative, go based off the actual recipe. Though no matter what, you should look up a recipe before you actually start trying to cook something. That's my first tip. I would not try to cook something completely as far as meats or vegetables without adding water at some point while cooking it. You can do it afterwards, which seems to work much better. So give it a little bit of a crust and then add water. That way it's just not dried out. My third tip is to keep the seasonings or whatever you're using to flavor your food simple, because you can do a variety of things, so you have a bunch of unique food. That would keep the seasonings simple on each one. And if you're using a seasoning mix on like some sort of meat, I would make sure to fully coat the meat, and whatever sticks, leave it on there, because that's how much seasoning you'll want. Thanks for watching. It does really help the channel.